When installing your level tension kit, the first thing you will need to do is locate the 1/2-inch holes on the appropriate post. Next, get the threaded crimp fitting and steel insert sleeve ready. Place the steel insert sleeve onto the cable first, making sure the correct side is facing the hole. Then, place the threaded crimp fitting onto the end of your cable. Crimp the fitting twice, making sure the 10 is visible on both crimp locations. Insert the threaded fitting through the post and out the far side. Then, thread the tension receiver onto the fitting a few rotations by hand. Place your hand on the cable and gently pull the tension receiver into the post to make sure it is snug. Next, place the neoprene sleeve onto the cable close to the post. Grip the sleeve with pliers to keep the cable from spinning as you tighten. Use the provided Allen wrench to tighten the tension receiver, making sure to keep the cable from spinning. Once fully tightened, remove the Allen wrench and the sleeve. Next, slide the steel insert sleeve into place against the post. Set the ePay driver block against the steel insert sleeve. You may find it helpful to use the pre-cut slot to rest the block on top of the cable. Using a dead blow hammer, forcefully strike the end of the ePay driver block until the steel insert sleeve is snugly in place. Once the insert sleeve is in place, remove the block. Your level tension kit should now be successfully installed.